10th chapter, Applications of Derivatives. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 23. Last part completed impounded repeated 4 marks problem. Today class also be explained one more repeated 4 marks problem, Gotcha problem. What is that problem? A container is in the shape of inverted cone. A container is in the shape of inverted cone shape. Has height 8 meters, height is given 8 meters and radius 6 meters at the top of the cone. Top of the cone height is given and radius also be given. If it is filled with water, at the rate of 2 meter cube per minute, the volume of the rate of change of volume also be given. How fast is height of the water changing when the level is 4 meters? If level is 4 meters, what is the change of water level? You can find. First of all, which shape this is? Cone shape. A container is in the shape of inverted cone. Inverted cone is given. First you can draw the cone. You get this is the cone. This is the height of the cone. This is the radius of the cone. This is also the radius. Total diameter of the cone. Suppose we have to take this one is go A, B, C. Understood or not? Here AB is radius. We have to take capital R. Radius is capital R. Here height also be capital H. Capital H be the height of the cone. Height of the cone capital H is given. How much? 8 meters is given. Radius of the cone capital R also be given. That is how much? 6 meters. 6 meters. Here capital H nothing but OA. OA equal to capital H is equal to 8 meters. Next radius. AB is the radius. Also AC also be radius. That's why you can write AB equal to AC is equal to radius capital R equal to 6 meters. This is the given information. Next, here this cone filling the water in the change of 2 meter cube per minute. Then value we can given. V be the volume of the cone. What is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone V. Here the rate of change of volume of the cone is given. The rate of change of volume of the cone is given. That is what? 2 meter cube per minute. This is also be given. After that, here filling the water, that how fast is height of the water changing the level 4 meters. Suppose this is the height of the water level. This height of the water level having 4 meters. This is the 4 meters. This is the radius. This is also the radius. This radius we have to take small r. This radius we have to take small h. This is the radius. Suppose here this one is D, this one is E. Here OD is the height of the water level. DE is the radius of the water level. Here OD equal to height of the water level equal to H. H is equal to H is given. After that H is equal to given. That is how much here? 4 meters. Similarly, radius of the water level. Radius of the water level what here? Radius of the water level is what here? The radius of the water level R equal to D is equal to R. R value is not given. Next, here see students in this figure. This is triangle ODE. This is right angle triangle. Next, triangle O. Suppose we can draw here triangle ODE. DER. This is right angle triangle. Similarly, triangle OAB. This is the radius. This radius is capital R. this height is capital H. These two triangles are similar triangles. First you can write that point. Triangle ODE similar to triangle OAB. Then what is the meaning of similar triangles? If two triangles are similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. What is the corresponding sides here? Corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. You have to take OA, the ratio of the corresponding sides, OA by OD, OA by corresponding side, OA corresponding side is OD, the ratio is equal to AB by DE, AB by DE. We know that all that you can write OA nothing but capital H by OD nothing but small h. Next AB nothing but capital R by DE nothing but what here? DE nothing but what here? Small r. You can write values capital H value, you know that capital H by H value is H is equal to capital R value is what here? Capital R value is 6 by small r value is not given. Cross multiply 8r is equal to 6h. 2 3s are 2 4s are 4r equal to 3h. R equal to 3h by 4. Here R is the radius of the water level. Next you can write formula. Which formula? Volume of the cone formula. Volume of the cone. What is the volume of the cone? V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of the water level cone. Here height you have to take h, radius you have to take r. Understood or not? Understood or not? In this way you can do that every problem. In this model, this is very important problem. That's why you can write V is equal to 1 by 3 pi. What is the value of R? Here R is what? Here small r is what here? 3h by 4. 3h by 4 all square into h. Understood or not? After that, V is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 3h whole square, 9h square by 16 into h. You can write V equal to 3 also 3 3 are 3 pi by 16 into h square into h. You can write h cube. See students, this is a volume of the cone of the water level cone. This cone, understood or not? Total, this is a larger cone. This is a larger cone. This is a smaller cone. You can find rate of change of water level at this smaller cone. That's why smaller cone height is small h. Smaller cone radius is smaller. That's why you can write this formula. Understood or not? Suppose you can take volume of the larger cone, that is h you have to take capital H, or you have to take radius capital R. Understood or not? After that, derivative with respect to t on both sides, you get as d by dt of v equal to 3 pi by 16 get common d by dt of h cube. Here we can write this is dp by dt. dp by dt is equal to 3 pi by 16 into h cube derivative what? h cube derivative 3h square into d by dt of h. 3 3s are 9. You get what students? You get what? dv by dt. Here dv by dt is equal to 3 3s are 9 pi by 60 h square into dh by dt. Understood or not? Understood or not? dv by dt equal to this value is given. After that you can find the dh by dt and the height is 4 meters you can find. Next one. Here what is the value of dh by dt? Before you go to dh by dt constant, first you can write dv by dt value. dv by dt value, you know that 2 is equal to 9 pi by 16 into h square into dh by dt. Then cross multiply 16 2s are 32 is equal to 9 pi h square into dh by dt. Then dh by dt equal to 32 by 9 pi h square. This is the rate of change of water level is coming. Here, what is the question? How fast height of the water level changing when the level is 4 centimeters. Here h value is given, that is 4 centimeters. That's the equation, right? The water level changing when height 4 meters is equal to dh by dt at h is equal to 4 meters. What is the value of dh by dt? You can write dh by dt value is, what is the value of dh by dt? 32 by 9 by h square at the water level 4 meters. You can write h value, you get what? 32 by 9 by into h. H value is what here? H value is 4 square. 32 by 9 pi into 4 square value 16. 16 1s are 16 2s are. You get 2 by 9 pi. The water level is increasing at the height of 4 meters. This height is 4 meters. Water level increasing is 2 by 9 pi meter per minute. This units you can write compulsory. You cannot write units, you get 1 mark loss. Understood or not? Therefore water level increasing, the level of water h is equal to 4 meters is 2 by 9 by meter per minute. This is the answer. Understood or not? First you can read problem perfectly. Understood? First you read problem. After that draw the figure. In this code figure, first which one is given, which one is not given, you can find. After that you can write value of the cone formula. After that you can write a total simplified answer. Understood or not? This is a very important repeated problem in IB examination. Assignment problem or homework problem, similar model problem, important problem. What is the problem? A container is in the shape of inverted cone, has height 12 centimeters and radius 6 centimeters. First we have to take cone. In that cone, height, this one is a radius, capital R, capital H. Here capital H value is given 12 centimeters, capital R value is given 6 centimeters. If it is filled water, the rate of change is given. dV by dt also be given. 12 centimeter cube per second is given. After that, how fast the water level change in the water? 8 centimeter. Suppose this is the water level. This water level, this is the height. This one is the radius. This one is the radius. This is small h is given. That is 8 centimeter. R equal to have to take R. Similarly, you can write the value of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. After that, this triangle and this triangle are similar triangle. This problem you can do that previous problem model. Just which one is changed, students? All problem total same. But in place of capital H you can write 12 centimeters. In place of capital R you can write 6 centimeters. In place of dV by dt you can write 12 centimeter cube per second. In place of h you can write 8 centimeters. Remaining problem you can do the total same. Just these values are changed. That problem, this problem, both are similar problem. Just measurements are different. Okay, students. These two problems are very important 4 marks in